Have you noticed that toys have gotten a lot more expensive these days? Yeah, I have too. So today I want to share 5 low-budget, toddler-friendly toys that actually do a really good job at keeping your toddler entertained. Number 1 is the Play-Doh Fun Factory playset. Coming in at only $5 Canadian, this one is an easy win for you. This bad boy will keep your little one busy for at least a few minutes, if not more. So the label on the box says that it's for ages 3 and over, but honestly, take these things with a grain of salt. I think when you see labels that say 3 and over, it's still safe to show it to your 2-year-old, but just make sure that you're supervising them. Make sure that they're not gonna eat the Play-Doh. Make sure that they're not getting their fingers stuck in any of the moving parts. One of the things that we like to do with the Play-Doh Fun Factory is I just show her how to make spaghetti with it, and she just likes to pull it out. Really, it's all about engaging with them and having fun together. So don't be put off by the age bracket. It's totally fine to play with these kinds of toys together. Of course, if you're leaving your toddler alone with this toy, I wouldn't recommend it, especially if they're under the age of 3 years old. So definitely supervised play, but for $5, you don't have to get some complicated ice cream machine or all these crazy different things that they try to sell you on. This $5 piece of equipment goes a super long way. It's just a toy that really inspires imagination in your child. Coming in at number 2 is balloons. Yeah, for between $1 to $5, get yourself some balloons. If your toddler's running out of steam playing with all their toys, I swear, hear me out, just blow up a balloon, draw a little face on it, and play a variety of different games. Your toddler's gonna love it, it's gonna keep them entertained. Balloons are a lot of fun, they can hit them, they can throw them, we can play catch with them, we can play the floor is lava, so don't drop the balloon on the ground. Honestly, there's so many different games you can play with a balloon. It's gonna keep them busy for a long time. It might not sound thrilling to you and I, but honestly, for a toddler that's like, let's say 1.5 to just under 3 years old, a balloon is amazing. Number 3 are dollar store books. Okay, so I'm gonna start by saying, before you even go out and buy any books, make sure you get yourself a library card. You're gonna wanna rotate books often, especially with toddlers. They're constantly learning. It's amazing to have a library at home, but they're constantly craving more. There's always activities to do at the library. It's free, endless books. You just have to make sure you return them on time so you don't get slapped with a fee. Okay. But putting that away for a second, maybe you're just looking to grow your toddler's library. There's lots of great books that you can buy at places like Chapters, Indigo, but they can be quite expensive sometimes. They might not really have any attachment to any characters yet. Dollar store books are awesome, and they're between $1 to $4. So we go to Dollarama sometimes, whether it's for a road trip or just because we were there to pick something else up. Often I'll just go to the little book section for toddlers, and there's so many great books over there. No, they're not usually, a popular character, and they're usually kind of like no-name books, but they're very colorful. They're often teaching the toddler about their ABCs, their 1, 2, 3s, their colors. So you can't really go wrong. We found this hardcover book. I can't even understand how they were able to print this book and sell it to me for $4 Canadian. The math doesn't math, to be honest with you. So I definitely encourage you to head to the dollar store. One of the great things about those books is that they can be your toddler's potty books. I don't know about you, but my toddler loves to read books while they're on the potty, and maybe you don't want to bring the nicest books into the bathroom. Pro tip, in addition to this, if you're already at the dollar store, make sure you buy an assortment of stickers. Usually you can get a whole pack of like 50 stickers for about $1. Don't leave the dollar store without a whole bunch of stickers. Toddlers love stickers. Okay, so number 4 is building blocks. Usually they'll run you about anywhere between $5 to $30, depending on how many you buy. Often you can go to Walmart and you can just get a set of 8. That should keep them a little busy for a little bit, but I like to recommend that you get something like a Mega Blocks kit that comes with, up to 80 pieces. It's one of those toys that just really goes a long way. You can build things, you can tell stories while your toddler's building. It helps with their dexterity to learn how to pile the bricks up without, dropping them. And really, it's a very imaginative way to play. It's a great low budget option. It goes a really long way. Kids love playing with blocks for a long time. Number 5, I'm a little biased. I love IKEA toys. They have a really great assortment of toys, and they're all really great value toys. I'll put a list in the description of a few toys that I really love from IKEA, some that I'm even eyeing that I haven't bought for her yet. One of my favorite toys from IKEA are their little veggie sets. They have like veggie and fruit sets that you can get. If you have a play kitchen already for your child, this is a great addition. It really makes the play kitchen come alive. Even if you don't, it's such a great way for your child to get involved in the cooking process. What is mommy doing when she's in the kitchen, or what is daddy doing when he's in the kitchen? They're always chopping something up. I want to do that too. I think it's $10 for a big pack of them. It comes with vegetables and things like sausages and pasta, and it even comes in a little basket, so it's nice to store or put away. High value, great longevity. They'll grow with it. When they leave that toddler stage, they're not necessarily going to leave this toy behind. It's actually going to grow with them. The older they get, the better they understand the concept, and the more imagination play comes into the picture. Maybe you're going to upgrade and you're going to buy them a little kitchen if you haven't done that already. So if you've enjoyed this video, then please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. It really supports me in making more videos just like this one. Leave a comment down below. What are some of the budget-friendly toys that your toddler enjoys? Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.